Hey guys, I'm really excited because we're gonna do a week-long Needle Nook Wellness Challenge all together. It's gonna be really simple. We're all gonna do 10 push-ups a day for 7 days, 1 week. And that is gonna be our challenge. Some of us might be able to do push-ups easily, and some of us might not. Don't worry, I got you. If you are a person who is used to doing push-ups, you could do them on the floor. Let's say, I'll take my flip-flops off. Let's say you do push-ups all the time. Watch out, go on, go, go, go. Go, Violet. Out of the way, out of the way. Maybe you want to do a push-up on your toes like this. Just one. I'm just going to show you one. Maybe you want to do it like that. That's cool. Awesome. Maybe that's too much because you don't want to do 10 of those. A modified push-up where you do them on your knees is a great option. Here. Okay? What if none of that's going to work for you? No problem. You can also do a counter push-up, which is something, it doesn't have to be low like this. It can be counter height. It can be, higher, but it would be you just, I know I've got my butt to you, but you just have your hands right on the edge and then you just drop your chest right towards the edge and come back up. You just drop as low as you can. Hi, and then come back up. And if that is too much for you, then you do a wall push-up. And same thing, you just go over to the wall, put your hands pretty wide, and then you just drop your body towards the wall and then push back up. So bend your elbows and straighten back up. We are going to do this on social media, on Facebook and on Instagram in conjunction with email. So you can look there, and I'm gonna talk about this and give you options and all that kind of stuff there as well. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Doing something like this is a really good thing for us to do as stitchers, as knitters, as crocheters, as people who are makers and crafters, because it helps us keep all of this strong, which we need this structure, our upper body structure, to be strong while we are doing our thing, right? We need our shoulders, we need our biceps, we need our forearms, we need our hands, we need our chest. So the push-ups give us that strength and stability, and that's why we're doing it. I'm so excited. See you soon.